Mengsari, and today we are going to share some important tips on how to create effective visual for presentation. And the first is, it's crucial to remember that visuals should always support your message. Every graphic, image, or chart you include must be relevant. An irrelevant visual can confuse your audience instead of helping them understand your point. The second is simplicity is the key. A clean, simple design helps the audience focus better. Try not to overcrowd your slide with too much information or too many complicated visual. A slide should communicate its main idea in just a few seconds. If it takes too long to understand, it's probably too complicated. And another tips is to use high quality image. Low resolution or pixelated visual can make your presentation look unprofessional. Also, consistency matter. Stick to the same style, color, and font throughout the entire presentation to create a smooth and feel experience. You also need to prioritize legibility. Make sure your text is easy to read from a distance. Use a font that large size, clear fonts, and strong color and contrast between text and the background. And lastly, for my part, remember that storytelling with visual is powerful. A well-chosen image can express an idea or emotional much better than text alone. Instead of explaining everything with words, let your visual do part of the storytelling. And from here, my partner will take over. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Dewi. Let's continue. Another important point is when dealing with complex data, instead of putting everything on one crowded slide, it's better to break it down into simpler parts or use infographics and charts to make it easier to understand. You can also prepare handout if necessary, especially for audience who like to study the detail, like engineers or financial professionals. Next, use graphic form size. Tools like arrows, circle, or maybe highlight can guide your audience attention to the most important part of your slide. Also be careful with size and placement. The most important visual should be bigger and placed in the center, while supporting visuals can be smaller and off to the side. Before presenting, it's very important to practice. Test your visual in the real setting to make sure everything is clear and visible. Even for people sitting the back of the room, practicing will also help you transition between slides more smoothly. There are a few more important points. Be culturally sensitive. Choose image and colors that are appropriate for your audience background. Use blank slides when needed. A blank slide can help bring full attention back to your words at key moment. And if you need help, consider outsourcing for visual design to a professional, especially if the presentation is very important. In short, effective visual are simple, consistent, well designed, and always focus on supporting your message, not replacing it. Thank you for listening. Rayhani Difadlur Rahman. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.